Wilma, look. Hello. Hello. Hello, Wilma. Pop up, pop up, pop up.
Making my mushrooms for the week. Everybody knows, don't you? Because I just always make them for a week and put them in the fridge, and I can have in my protein-packed breakfast in the morning. It just makes it easy. If they're in the fridge, I just make my eggs and just put them on my toast and just good to go, aren't you? I just love mushrooms. I just love mushrooms, guys. Just doing a little freshen up of the house. Never ending cleaning. I don't know where all this dust and dirt comes from. I always clean as I go along. I always do it because just to make my life easy for myself. I don't know if anybody feels the same. You just cleaned. Doesn't matter how many people are living in the house, but for some reason the second day is back to normal. Sometimes it's the same day you find dust again. I'm just doing not a deep clean, just a quick freshen up. So obviously keep it clean as you go along, and there's less pressure for you, especially when you're working like me. And I'm sure everybody can relate to me, working with me can relate to me. It's like you have to keep on top of it, because end of the day you still have to do it, whether you put it off today or tomorrow or the day after. But it's gonna always look worse and it's always gonna take longer. So I just try to do it as I go along, so just to make my own life easy, because I don't have that much time to be just messing about and cleaning for hours and hours. You know, shukr alhamdulillah, when I get my day off, I don't want to spend all day cleaning, and it's so dirty that I have to clean it and it takes me hours and hours. I can't do that, sorry, but I cannot do that. That's why I try my best to clean as I go along. I'm just trying to dust these curtains, because I don't know where the dust comes from on the curtains. It's not as I'm doing some building work in the house, or I'm a builder. I've got builders living in this house, that all the dust is coming from somewhere, but it just I can't get my words out again. It just accumulates together, and then you just don't know where it's come from. But just guys, I'll give you, if you want one advice from me, just keep your clean as you go along. This lint roller is a saver. I've been using it for years now. It's nothing new. I'm sure you guys have seen this before, and you probably got loads lying around in the house, and when you try to find one you can't, and you know you just bought some that day. Anything that's like suede, they do look nice, you know, suede headboards, suede benches, suede chairs, you know, they look nice, but they do accumulate a lot of dust, a lot of fluff. I don't know where it actually comes from, but it's probably from blankets and, you know, throws and jumpers, and, you know, you have lying around the house. So this is a lifesaver. Like, I don't know how many I've used, and I always run out and I have to get more every time. But look at the dust that comes off it, look at all the gunk that comes off it. So it just keeps it nice and clean and really chic, and it keeps it in a good condition when you bought it in the first place. So I always recommend keeping lint rollers in the house, many as you can, really. Just doing a little vacuum, as I said, you know, I do try to vacuum upstairs once a week, but if I see that it needs more than once a week, then I'll do it. And I've got a smaller vacuum as well. This is my Hetty vacuum, which I swear by. I've bought so many vacuums, expensive ones like Shark, and, you know, I haven't bought a Dyson yet, but I bought really expensive perfumes. Yeah, I've got perfumes too, guys, no vacuums, but they just get messed up. I don't know what's happened. They stopped working after a bit. I don't know what's wrong with them. So Hetty is an old school one, like, you know, Henry, Hetty, I always call the husband and a wife, and there's another daughter or son, I don't know what they're called, but there's different colours. But you cannot go wrong with a Hetty and Henry, guys. Just invest in them. Old school vacuums are the best vacuums you can get, and I'm sure a lot of you guys know about this anyway. But yeah, it is a bit heavy to bring upstairs, but I just need to get a lighter one to put upstairs in the storeroom. So I am going to get one. I am looking for one, to be honest. I do love mirrors. I love glass, you know, furniture and everything, but it's so hard to keep it clean. It does make your rooms look larger than it actually are. It looks really gorgeous, but the thing is, it reflects light, it looks beautiful, but cleaning it is a bit of a mission. This is my sliding wardrobes, and I've only put it in the middle, just a little square of a mirror, because this is the reason, because I don't want to be cleaning it all the time. It just saves time. But have a hint of it. It looks nice, but I wouldn't have it full length. I've got a full length one in the hallway. I think that's more than enough for me. I don't need so many mirrors in the house and seeing my face wherever I'm walking. No, thank you very much. I don't need to do that. I do that enough every day. Yeah, come to the staircase. Obviously I just take the main head off the vacuum. Just makes it slightly easier. You can get into the nooks and crannies and the corners, and as I said, in the staircase as well, so much dust. Although we don't take our shoes upstairs or anything, but I don't know where the dust comes from, especially these sides where the skatings are, and in the middle in the gaps. And honestly, we don't do nothing in these gaps, so where does this dust actually come from? Like, who actually lives here in these gaps? I'm only joking, guys, you know what I mean. It's a struggle of a housewife, and I think most housewives, most women can relate to me. It's a mission. This is a bottom downstairs hallway. Just vacuuming that. Obviously you have runners and stuff, but you still have to vacuum them. It's like, as I said, the skating boards just accumulate so much dust. I don't know where it actually comes from, but and then I'm just gonna mop the kitchen. This speed mop is a lifesaver, guys. I don't like the bucket and old school. Obviously if it really needs a thorough clean, I've got a steamer as well that I use that, but our moms used to use those mops and those buckets. It used to do the job actually, and it used to be good exercise for your arms. You don't need to go to gym, you know, you could work out your arms, and that's fine. This is really light anyway, you hardly get any workout. Little snack, my favorite crisps. Hack, guys, hack the key. If you don't have a coin, a token, put your key into the basket and hopefully it'll work, and you don't need a pound coin ever again. But do not get caught.
Shoes from
Yeah.
Mustafa.
Look at the colour, it's really nice, isn't it?
It's pretty.
It's quite trendy. Does he like that colour?
He does. He's gonna love the green.
How much is it?
£13. Not too bad.
Beautiful home stuff in Asda.
Oh, I love this green.
Oh my god, I wish they had a tinted dark colour in that.
That looks nice together.
Oh,
What do
that's
you think?
so nice. Oh gosh, they're lovely, aren't they? I do love, I think tea tastes so delicious in like glass mugs, isn't it?
Look at this. Would anyone want to drink from this?
What, in a snake mug? Ugh. Gluten-free freezer stuff. Look at these teas, guys. I only like the Tetley, just a normal tea, but look at all these flavours of these herbal teas and fruit teas and God knows what teas. Do you know there's some teas available?
That's the salad that I give to Mustafa and Elena.
Another breakfast, another day. I've just come to my sister's house that she hasn't moved in yet, her new house, just to drop some stuff off that we bought from Denal's that day. Just drop it off on the dining table. This is like an empty house at the moment, blank numbers. So I'll show you as I go along how we styled it. I'm gonna help her design the house, hopefully do some interior design on it. That's just the back door. I won't show you the whole house. I'll do a house tour inshallah soon. Empty one, but she's only got a dining table in the kitchen yet. I won't show you the rest of the kitchen. We just need to style it up a bit, then we can show you. But we'll show you how it looks for now on another video, and then once we've done it up. So that's those doors go to the garden, and then the living room's all empty at the moment. I'm not going to show you the whole of it. This is the hallway. So guys, just keep liking my videos, subscribe so you can follow the journey, and I'll show you a sneak peek of the stairs. That's the stairs. That new built house just outside my sister's house. You can see the motorway from there, but this needs to get all done. New houses are getting built yet. They're not exactly built, so they need to do the landscaping yet as well, but you can see the motorway from there. So I think that's kind of cool. When you're upstairs, and you can see all the lights on at night, I think it'll look really nice. What do you think, peeps? Hopefully it'll look good. I call you peeps, guys. I told you stuff comes out my mouth, but never mind, we're all family here, aren't we? Does it really matter? You're all family and you understand. Inshallah, I'll speak to you in a bit. Look at the rain outside, guys. I don't want to go to work. I've got an evening shift now. I'm dreading going. I actually feel like crying. I don't want to go. It's cold. It's very cold. Welcome everyone. Hi. I hope everyone's doing alright. I've just come to an evening shift now. I'm just waiting in the car. I'm a bit early yet to do that visit. It's raining outside really fast. Really dark outside really fast. I hate coming out at this time. I absolutely hate it. I'm in Great Bar at the moment. You just you know, you want to book a shift, but when I actually have to come out of the house in the dark, in the cold, in the rain, I think, why have I booked it? Why the hell have I booked a shift? But you know what, rozi roti ke liye karna padta hai. Shukr alhamdulillah, at least, you know, we got the opportunity that we can work and we got a job. It could be a lot worse, but it's just life, isn't it? Because these days it's hard to cope with the wages you get with this cost of living and everything. Look how everything is so expensive. Everything, wherever you go. First, Aldi used to be cheap. It used to be really cheap. Like, obviously it wasn't really cheap, but it was kind of cheap. But now you buy a few things like 30-40 pounds, and you think, when you come home and you empty your bags, so think मैं लेके क्या आई हूँ, कुछ भी लेके नहीं आई हूँ, पूरा empty है, like it's not much at all. And then obviously same was like if you go like Tesco, or oh my god, like Tesco and Morrison's. I used to think Morrison's was cheap, but Morrison's is really expensive. I can't believe how expensive it is. And you know that I'm gluten free as well, so मेरा जो खाना है वो तो extra expensive है. एक छोटी सी bread like बिल्कुल छोटी सी, आपने देखी होगी मेरे खाने की वीडियो में, छोटी सी bread है £2.80, £2.50. ये को मजाक है क्या? It's really bad, really bad, like बहुत expensive है. और इसलिए obviously मैंने दो काम करने पड़ते हैं, you know, ऑफिस रोजी रोटी. शुक्र अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, अल्लाह बस health दे. Health is most important. अगर आपकी health होगी, इंशाल्लाह अल्लाह रोजी रोटी अल्लाह देने वाला है. इंशाल्लाह हार्ड काम करते हैं, सुबह उठते हैं, शाम को घर आते हैं, फिर शाम को निकलते हैं शिफ्ट्स के लिए. शुक्र अल्लाह सेहत देनी चाहिए, बस अल्लाह को सेहत. अगर सेहत हो तो सब कुछ है, सेहत हो तो जहान है, कुछ भी नहीं है वरना. But I hope everyone's having a good evening. I'm gonna go home after this is my last visit. I'm gonna go home and inshallah get changed, relax, unwind, and then make more roti. And what have I got for roti today? Oh yeah, I just remembered. जब मैं घर जाऊंगी वापस, मैं रास्ते में अपनी बहन के घर जाऊंगी. आई थिंक बाजी ने मेरे लिए कबाब भेजे हैं, दूसरी बहन के घर, उसके हाथ में कबाब. सो उसके हाथ में नहीं, उसके घर में कबाब. सो मैं रास्ते से वो उठाऊंगी कबाब्स. And then my other sister, वो भी lives around the other corner. वो आज मुझे, जब मैं इवनिंग शिफ्ट पे होती हूँ ना, बेचारियाँ they always say, oh like मैं सबसे छोटी हूँ ना, कहती हैं oh खाना लेके जाना, अपना खाना ले जाना घर, तुम शिफ्ट कर रही हो, bless them. मैं कहती भी हूँ खाना है, फिर भी नहीं छोड़ती हैं. So बाजी ने भी खाना भेजा है कबाब, और मेरे हाल मेरी सिस्टर, दूसरी सिस्टर, उसने भी चिकन बनाया है. वो कहती है वो भी ले जाना वापस जब घर की. तो वो रास्ते में से गुजरती हैं, बिल्कुल हम सब करीब रहते हैं, दूर नहीं रहते इतना, इसलिए. But anyway, thank you very much, and inshallah I will speak to everybody soon. And please like my videos and subscribe. I'll carry on doing these a few days vlogs, and I'll do shorts. Please like my shorts and subscribe as well. मैं जो करती हूँ ना, जो snack ideas, जो लोग काम करते हैं, इतना हार्ड काम करते हैं, पूरा दिन काम पे रहते हैं, फिर घर आते हैं, फिर ऑब्वियसली खाने के लिए यू वांट समथिंग इजी कि एयर फ्रायर में डालो बस स्नैक के लिए खाना वगैरह. मैं वैसे वीडियोस बनाती हूँ जो इजी है, सब कर सकते हैं. मैं तो अपना ग्लूटेन फ्री दिखाती हूँ ना आपको. तो ग्लूटेन फ्री, अगर आप ग्लूटेन फ्री नहीं है तो फिर तो आपके लिए बहुत आसान है, अब उतना एक्सपेंसिव भी नहीं होता है. फिर वो obviously buy whatever you want and just put them in the air fryer. It's done in about 15 minutes. So I'll just try to make it easy so everybody can do it, anybody can do it. It's really straightforward. anybody wants to see anything else you want me to cook, desi food, anything you want, please ask me, because I'm not saying I'm a superb cook, but I can cook. So inshallah, just let me know. Thank you very much. Khudafiz. Hi, just come back from work in the evening. I didn't get time to cook anything today, so I bought a takeaway after a very long time, especially with curry. I bought chicken tikka masala from Desi Dera. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It's in Pelham, Rock. I bought some salad. Well, it's never complete. They always got something missing, but this doesn't look too bad actually. Usually they just have onions and a cucumber and a bit of gobi leaves. That's all they have, but this one's a bit better than before. Obviously the typical mint chutney and the chili sauce, and I just made my roti because obviously I'm gluten free, and I asked them if they got any flour in this chicken. They said no, so hopefully my stomach stays okay and I don't have the runs, which I don't want to talk about right now because I'm just about to eat. Sorry guys, but yeah, I'm just going to enjoy my food, and I just got some orange juice there as well. Just going to enjoy that. There's nothing better than coming back from a rainy evening, getting wet, soaked, cold to your bone, and then pray, put the heater on, and then have a lovely curry that's actually getting cold right now. So I need to stop making this film and start enjoying my food. I hope you guys are enjoying your food as well, or you're probably already eaten. I'm just having a pick me up moment at work, a little break in my car. I've got some vanilla yogurt, blueberries, banana, flax seeds, chia seeds, and deliciousness, absolute deliciousness, full of vitamins, really good fats, good for your stomach, good for your digestive system, really good, and it's absolutely delicious as well, really nice. Let me just yeah, absolutely. You can put blueberries in there, well, blueberries not in there, you can put raspberries in there, strawberries in there, whatever you want, and it's really nice, and it fills you up as well. It keeps you full for quite a long time as well. A really good idea that. Just with my beautiful mom in the hospital A&E at the moment. She just had to have a little checkup because she's having a few issues, which I don't want to discuss really, but I hope you guys are looking after your moms. I love touching my mom's hand. She's got really soft skin, and you don't know what you've got. My beautiful mom, I just try to be there for as much as I can, as she always there for me, and I love her to bits. Please look after your moms. I'm at my sister's house. I stayed the night in her new kitchen. We're having breakfast, and I was just looking out in the garden, and I really enjoyed it. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It has been all over the place. I'm sorry about that, but please like my videos, subscribe, and click the bell icon. You know what to do, guys. You know what to do. It's not rocket science. But thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate every one of you. Thank you so much. Khudafiz.